is gravity?
According to Newton's law of gravity, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force directed along the line of centers for the two objects that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the separation between two objects.
Basically, that means that every two objects, particles, or bodies have a force that pulls them together.
The discovery of gravity was made in Cambridge, England by Isaac Newton, who was born in 1643 and died in 1727.
Legend has it that Isaac Newton discovered gravity because an apple fell on his head.
However, we know that this theory has not yet been proven to be true. The discovery of gravity led to many impacts in medieval history.
Number 1. The idea of gravity helped improve on the heliocentric theory.
Newton's laws of gravity and motion explained the Earth's annual journey around the Sun. Earth would move straight forward through the universe, but the Sun exerts a constant pull on our planet. This force bends Earth's path towards the Sun, pulling our planet into an elliptical orbit.
Number 2. The idea of gravity helped improve with the idea of how stars and planets were created.
Stars form when gas and dust from space combine together and become more dense due to self-gravity.
Planets. Planets form out of a collapsing cloud of dust and gas within a larger cloud called a nebula. As gravity pulls material in the collapsing cloud closer together, the center of the cloud gets more and more compressed, and it in turn gets hotter. This dense hot core becomes the kernel of a new star.
In addition, the theory of gravity helped discover the planet Neptune. Neptune was the first planet to be discovered by using mathematics. After the discovery of Uranus in 1781, astronomers noticed that the planet was being pulled slightly out of its normal orbit. John Couch Adams from Britain and Urbain Jean-Joseph Lefebvre of France used mathematics to predict that the gravity from another planet beyond Uranus was affecting the orbit of Uranus.
Finally, number 3. The idea of gravity was a building block to the concept of planetary motion.
While Copernicus discovered the heliocentric theory, it was Kepler who defined the planet's orbits correctly.
Newton developed a mathematical formulation of gravity that explained both the motion of a falling apple and that of the planets. He explained the gravitational force between any two objects. When applied to the motion of a planet around the sun, this theory explained all three of Kepler's ideas from his laws, as well as expound on the elliptical orbit observations.
To recap everything, gravity was discovered by Isaac Newton and had significant effects. Number 1, gravity led to the improvement of the heliocentric theory. Number 2, gravity led to the discovery of Neptune. And number 3, gravity led to the discovery of planetary motion and improved on Kepler's ideas.
Hey guys, go comment down below.
And subscribe.
And if you like the video, go give it a big thumbs up.
And if you didn't like it, then what are you doing here?
Yeah, bye!